Hello. So thank you to AI for Health to let us speak. I want to talk today about Tune Insight, which is a startup who were born in Swiss in Swiss EPFL at the request of Swiss University Hospital. So the journey begins in 2016 with this University Hospital request, and the startup was founded in 2021 after 5 years of research and development. We've been ranked #1 in cybersecurity, in health tech and med tech in 2023 and to nowadays in Swiss. So we are equipping several hospitals within Europe, 4 university hospitals in Italy, and all the Swiss university hospitals. So our approach, the core idea is very simple. The data remains where they are, and they are never exposed. So we use a federated health data space. Data are stay where they are. We are making it possible with a combination of privacy enhancing technologies like homomorphic encryption, but we will see it afterward. And we integrate overall all the governance processes inside the platform. So like this, hospitals can keep a full traceability and a full control over that data. We bridge the gap between the healthcare providers and the industry. So on the on the left of you can see that there are data provider, which includes several type of database, multi-omics, clinical, imaging, whatever. And on the other hand, and they need sovereignty, they need trust, they need compliance. And on the other hand, you have the inside consumer, the industry, who needs multi-center, who needs real-world evidence all along the drug life cycle. So we make possible, for instance, pre-feasibility, feasibility in a question of minutes, when it's actually more than 3 months to do it right now. Our platform, our platform has this architecture. So as you can see, we are compliant with GDPR, the Swiss regulation on data protection, and ISO 27001. And so, as you can see, we're just implementing the Tune Insight brick inside the secure environment. And when a query is made, it will be executed, proceed in each environment. And then the authorized user will get the result in a federated mode. It will aggregate all the results, and the investigator will have this result. So, as we said, we are operating in several fields. So, especially in oncology, where there is a strong need of RWE, we can treat all types of data. We are fully agnostic on that point, from GWAS, which are genomic data, to unstructured data. And at the end of the day, we are able to provide some value-based healthcare. And so the technology that are embedded in the platform, you can find here homomorphic encryption, you can find secure multi-party computation. Well, all this combination is unique and allows us to say that the results are anonymous. So you can deal with anonymous result and have compliance by design in your research. We are also committed to the to open source with the Latigo library, which is an open source library for full homomorphic encryption and multi-party computation. So in our use case, we have this national initiative in Switzerland with local pharmaceutical firm like Debiopharm, with more bigger like Roche, Sophia Genetics, and we are the platform that allows to train algorithm all over the university hospital in Switzerland. It's a federal initiative called NAPO. We are also involved in a European research network, which is called Phase 4 AI, and we have a use case over lung cancer, prostatic cancer, and stroke. So as you can see, there are countries like Finland, like UK, like Turkey, like Italy, and we are the platform that allows to train algorithm model. We are also the platform that is selected to be the entry point of clinical research in Switzerland. We have 7,000 patients in cohort in Switzerland. With this, with a network that is connecting all the hospitals in Switzerland, university one and cantonal one. And so you can do queries all over the Swiss hospitals from a single point. We also trained algorithm over several jurisdictions with on dermatology real world images. So they needed several data sets to deal with the skin tone bias, and it's a project that has been led between Basel, Madagascar, and Guinea. So thank you very much for your attention, and we aim to change the data economy into insight economy.